Come test drive the 2018 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.